De La Rosa. At center, providing a strong inside presence with his size, strength, and physical play. From Cebu, number 23, Clifford Hopia. Shooting guard from Rosario, La Union, number 20, Kenneth Tupin. Small forward is a Fuel Masters reinforcement number 2, BJ Johnson.
Obviously, Lastimosa was very good, including his performance last game. But the minutes being given to the veteran is really helping them.
Meron niyang pinoint out sa atin si Polly kanina kakwentuhan natin, Dr. J. Kasi nga, huling dalawang nakatapat nila. Etong Phoenix, palaging talo sila. As the first 2 points of the game is delivered by Tyler Teo. Back in the first round na itong series na to. Phoenix nanalo 98-86. Back in the Commissioner's Cup, 101-98, Phoenix pa rin yan. Point out ni Polly, palagi kasing first game nila yung Phoenix, so medyo nangangapa pa sila as Lucero ties the game at 2. Parang nag-e-experiment pa sila kung anong diskarte. Pero pinaalala niya, tignan mo ng Philippine Cup, nasa gitna ng schedule namin yung Phoenix. Tinalo nila. Itong Fuel Masters, 83-80. Ngayon, second round na.
Yung PBA player yan.
MVP pa sa PBL, di ba?
Naalala ko yun.
MVP pa ng PBL. Malamang sikuhin ako sa ulo niya. Itong si KJ Buffett, first quarter pa lang. Actually, first 5 minutes, tatlong foul na kagad ang napito sa kanya. At least ngayon, hindi napipituan. Nakapag-adjust na ng tuluyan sa PBA, Doc.
Yeah.
Unang salang din ni Buffett yun dito sa ating liga. Kaya nanibago siya sa mga pituhan. And yun nga, nagtatlong ball first quarter, pagbalik niya, nag-foul ulit, at kalaunan, maaga pa, nag-foul out na.
Oo nga, yun ang mali niya. Meron siyang hinabol na bola na naggalit-galit si LA. Kasi yung mga ganun, hindi mo na hinahabol yun eh. Na-rebound na ng kalaban, tumapik siya yun, natawagan siya ng foul. Mabigat yun.
Johnson with a big block. And they translate it into a basket sa kabila. 3 ball ni Santos, pasok yan. 8 start para sa Phoenix. Buffin wants it. He gets it. Santos extending his defense. Sanggalang with a pick. Balungay switches over. Buffin to the baseline. Had to adjust and one.
In some ways of Jason Tatum, he took a lot of 3-point shots in the end game, and those are usually counted para sa kanya.
Buffin playing volleyball.
Physical defense, always. Strong move. And the elbow is there, but no real push.
Linya pa lang susunod na talagang invested at pinagmamalaki ang depensa. While the Fuel Masters are grateful na nakapahinga si Jason Perkins, lalo may tightness siya sa right Achilles heel niya na iniinda niya last game pa. The coaches can't say kung after ng pagkaputol ng momentum ay makakapukpok sila dito sa game na to. Kaya let's hope for the best para dito sa Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Si Dr. Jen naputol din ng momentum nung makancel yung linggo.
Oo nga. Kasama ka. At saka isa pa yung Hinebra, hindi nakakapaglaro, hindi ba?
Sa Febs.
Yung matagal na sila hindi naglalaro, ganado na rin sila maglaro. Oh, nice block.
Sa Friday, yung susunod na laro na yun. Rivero will survey. Lee draped all over him. They go to Johnson down the middle. Johnson flushes it through.
I really like his jumping ability. I mean, when he starts to take off, kaya lakas na kumuha ng defensive rebound if you watch him.
14-11. Phoenix by 3 again. Lastimosa from that left wing. Spinning to the middle. Got rid of Mamu. Lastimosa with a smooth move.
Beautiful, beautiful pirouette.
Wala na 5 minuto natin tira sa ating opening quarter. Rivero down the middle. Ibabalik kay Perkins. Johnson from deep. Punches it through.
5 straight points for their import. Itong import, pag hindi masasaktan, hindi nila papalitan niya. Bagay na bagay sa team nila eh.
Kaya sayang na sayang si DJ, si Dequan Jones ng NLEX. Dr. J, bagay na bagay din yun.
Out na ba yun?
Nabalian na balik. Well, wala pang nilalabas sa prognosis, but naked eye looking at the video and pictures, tagilid to. Kanina, successful na operation. Nag-post na si Boss Ronald Dulat.
Inopera na.
Robert Johnson, the third play of the half natin yan brought to us.
Yan sa galang.
Lastimosa, stopping on a dime, getting rid of the D. General buries it.
Bad defense by Manoyak. Already 2 times against Lastimosa. This one, he stepped back and he never recovered.
Rivero's jumper over Lee on the other side is good.
This guy was like a house on fire in the previous conference. I mean, he was showing that he's an all-star type of player. But last few games he has been off, and he wants to be able to regain that scoring again.
Nice pick and roll action. Lastimosa to Lucero. Ball picked up by Escandora.
Oh,
Mamuya exploding to the base. Huli pa rin! Lucero was all over him.
nalayo ka na.
Nag-complete 180 siya doon eh. O halos
Ang
2.
problema nito, uy, body push volley.
Nabura si Lee sa depensa.
Oh!
And Rivero makes a pay.
Bumalik na naman yung shooting niya. Yung narinig niyo bumibilang si Balaw. Tatawa pa.
Lastimosa hurihan mo. Ano? Naka-under na nga si Escandor nun, pero si Rivero, he's been hot coming off the bench, Dr. J. He gives it to Johnson. BJ to the cup. Almost lost control. Napakapit naman.
Ang layo talaga ng take-off niya pagkaliwa. And that's a real nice hook.
Mahirap nang hulihin yung atake kaliwa. Inilalayo pa na sagad.
Hindi mo masusupalpal yun.
Sanggalang sa kabila.
Lumuwas pa.
Rivero with a rebound.
Ganadong-ganado si Rivero. Ha? Rebound, scoring, passing.
Escandor puts it on the deck. 18-foot pull-up. Di umubra. Ay, nakakuha naman yung bounce.
Specialty niya yan. To be a scorer and a shooter. A spot-up shooter actually.
30-22. The lead has increased to 8, the largest for tonight. Lee inside to Ian.
Isa lang na ni Chua yun. They force malapit na rin na September na.
September 10, no? Bubukas ang NC. As Johnson rattles home a 3.
Nalipat dito sa Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Pinalitan niya si Perkins, kaya biglang lumiit ang lineup ng Phoenix. Sanggalang. Escandor. Trying to make a way around Andrada. Francis to the cup. No. Chua with a cleanup. Good.
One of the things that he has always done well offensively. Oh, huli.
Steal by Johnson. Andrada gives chase. Pwede na yun, Red. Kayo naman, di naman siya dyan.
Ayun.
Ito, highlight para kay Lastimosa. Sayang naman yung highlight ni Johnson to.
Vergara.
Ito sa ni Jeron. Highlight din naman to. Pwede na. Kayo naman. Pero basta ako, galit ako. Ian gives it up. They swing it. Alfaro to the other corner. Andrada. He's a three-point specialist.
Yeah.
In on cue. Di tayo pinahiya. Kuhn flips it over to Xavier. And Magnolia takes the lead. Theo goes to the right side. Show hard si Andrada. They go to the left. Escandor bounces it inside. Balongay up and under. The step through is good. Balongay now with 4 points. More importantly, tinapla niya ang ating labanan sa 38. Pull-up jumper. Buffin delivers. Baroka will pull up for 3.
Yan. Kailangan ng Baroka.
Kanina, puro blanco para kay Andy Mark. Ngayong pasok ang unang bitaw, do.
Sumali siya kay Lastimosa.
Lima biglang abante ng Magnolia. Johnson gets the triple back.
Also, hindi masyado nagta-time out ito. Parang gusto na may buwelo yung kalaban. Okay lang.
Play through.
Play through. Yeah.
Gotta love the flow right now on this rainy Wednesday.
Three-point shot.
Polo. Buffin buries it.
46-41. 6 minutes, 40 seconds, second quarter.
Toughen drives, kicks. Alungay. No. Baroka will pick this one up. He pitches it out. Lucero on the run. They go inside to Buffin again. Baliktad. Di kumapit yung Pectus dyan. Johnson to Dio. Trying to slither his way through. Tyler inside with a hit.
He's also very, very concentrated in this game. He played well at the beginning, and now he has come back to lead them again on this charge.
Magnolia's lead is 3, 46-43. Nakakalahati na po ang ating ikalawang yugto. Buffin with those huge strides. Dilagay na lang.
Euro step na yun. That's why I said parang Jason.
We head into this timeout. Pero bago yan, silipin natin ang play of the half natin sa ating sinaguba siya ni Perk. Andun pa rin naman si Tuffin. 5 to shoot. Barroca releases. That's good.
Pagpasok niya, nakatulong ka agad. Itong si Buffin.
Rivero scored 7 points on 2 of 4 shooting in 8.5 minutes of action. Palungay with that nice hit. He's got 6 points.
Which matches what he previously did against his team. And we're only in the second quarter.
Magnolia's lead is 5. Buffin in traffic, hands in the air.
Kukuha na niya yung kanyang timing.
17 puntos na, Dok, eh. Lampas-lampas na sa kanyang pinakita nung una niya makatapat yung Phoenix.
Siyang kalaro na.
Ichi lang nun because of foul trouble. Rivero trying to get around Buffin. His sidestep, huli ni KJ. Mukhang na-scout ni Buffin yun.
Look at that. He's behind him. Ayun, naabang na sa air.
Kapit na naman sa kanyang kanang balikat, Dok.
Kanina pa yan.
5-on-4 for Magnolia this way. Buffin. Isang foul pala.
Rivero.
Richie to the cup.
Bagsak na naman si Rivero.
Nagmamadali Magnolia. 5-on-3. Dahil pinulot pa ni Johnson si Rivero sa kabila. 10 ang kailangan bunuin dito ng Phoenix with just over 2 minutes remaining in the first half.
Oh, what-
Lalim naman nun, no?
Nice move. Great play design of the baseline inbound.
Johnson in trouble. Loses control. Xavier. Back to Barox. Tyler. Will back it up. They want to get Kenneth going. Tuffin buries the 3.
Always has one in the game. No? Almost always I've seen him. It's nice to see that he still has the confidence of the coach as well as for himself.
He's actually the vocal leader din daw ng koponan na to according to Coach Charles Chu. He lets himself be heard both on offense and defense para sa Phoenix as Barroca is trying to back up on Tyler.
That's money. Buti na lang medyo nag-cool down.
Traffic sa loob para dito kay Balungay. Nilabas na lang kay Tuffin. Nakakanta pa sa Phoenix yan. Hopia not looking at the brim. They go to Barroca. Buffin from way outside. Galing sumulong yan.
Kaya nga nagtyaga sila kay Buffin.
Talagang
Matagal na pinapapalitan na ng mga ibang tao, di ba? Pero
Eh,
they
kasi nga
stuck
naman.
it. They stuck with him.
kasi nga naman, nag-0 to start sa kanyang PBA career. Ito si KJ Buffin. He has been spectacular ever since.
As you have mentioned, it's his own fault. He keeps on getting fouled, so he can't play on the floor.
Ngayon, huling-hulin ni Buffin. Paano nga ba? Ganun din naman ginawa ni Johnson. Sa wakas, nakashoot ulit. Dok.
Yeah, well, Johnson is a legitimate scorer. You get his.
Buffin looks around. They go across. Barroca for 3. Doesn't work. Johnson para sa rebound.
You can see the fight back here on the part of Phoenix Fuel Masters. They're that kind of a team, huh?
Babawi si
Yeah,
Johnson.
4. That's a 4.
Galing sumulong din yan.
That's the second 4-point shot for the Phoenix Fuel Masters. The other one coming from Richie Rivero earlier.
22 puntos na para dito. Kay Robert Johnson III. Buffin spinning away. Sinaguba ni Santos. And 1.
Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? Kagaling ito. Yung mga ganyang galaw, iba na yan.
Pero kahit anong X's and O's, if they're being outplayed, wala pa rin mangyayari. 50-50 balls na pupunta sa Magnolia. During transition, the guys hesitate, making it seem like
De La Rosa had to reach for it. Barroca doon sa kanto sa kaliwa. 6 to shoot for the guys in blue. Buffin inside. Hindi nga lang natanganan ni Santos. Barroca thought about it on the run. Andy Mark hits again.
Hindi natin ang the other end kung si Pauli o si Lastimosa magbabantay muna sa import.
Lito Sanggalang.
Kung Machado na 6-0 run dito para sa Magnolia Hotshots. 5 minutes left here in the third quarter. Mamuyak, by the way, is in the ball game. Open.
BJ knocks it through. That's a three para dito kay Johnson.
He switch back to Tuffin. Oh,
Lee trying to drop it off. They broken up by Balungay. Johnson will power up. Oh! Bustos jam!
na-poster siya. Oh.
This play of the game brought us by Sports Plus. Grabe yung buwelo, Dok. Ngayon, 31 nga.
31. Kaya Sanggalang.
Ian jump up. Dos din yun. What an exchange here. Magnolia and Phoenix in a 4-point game. Under 3.5 remaining in the third.
8 points in the ball game. In average, 16 no? in their wins.
Mamu
Oh, that's a foul.
somehow got it in.
But he made it. And that's his 4th point of the ball game. Close match, huh?
Dalawang puntos na lang ang abante rito ng Magnolia. Sanggalang again.
Ooh.
Iwas yung muka ni Johnson. Johnson with a swipe. Rivero leaves it. Oh!
Asama ang pasa eh. Malayo eh.
Medyo behind.
Oh, nahuli rin.
Back counter. Babawi si Richie. Johnson had to gather. Tuffin to Kai. He gets the one dapat to stick. Tabla na tayo. Nung hinahanap ko yung mga laro sa YouTube, automatic naman yan. Nasa One Sports na. As Lastimosa comes up with the acrobatic finish. Nagtataka ako may mga fake pa rin na ano. Pinagpapalabas ng score lang. Kung kayo nasa YouTube na po, dumiretso na kayo sa One Sports channel. Live na live natin napapanood. Huwag na kayo magtyaga doon sa score lang. Tapos may nagkikwento. Richie Rivero lights it up.
3-point shot yun. Lamang na naman ngayon dito ang Phoenix. 80-79.
Haba nung ginapang nila from a deficit of 11
Yeah.
at the start of this third.
They must have really talked about defense during their halftime huddle. Because they're playing strong defense here.
Alfaro
Oh!
gets the triple back.
Hindi na maapang nga daw siya. Which I think he was. Oh.
And one para kay Richie sa kabila.
Ang problema, foul na naman si Bucket.
Yun lang.
Substitution for the Blue Blazers. Brings in Escador for Kenneth Tuffin.
Ito plus 11 dyan ang Phoenix, kaya tabla na tayo. Alfaro loses control. Rivero looks up court.
Oo.
PJ. This time, finish naman ang ginamit doon. Si Perk nasa 30-man pool din ng Asian Games. No? Hopefully, para doon maging ready na siya.
I don't care.
Wala siyang paki sa atin to. Si LA pala, hindi kagaling.
Matagal na natin kasi hindi nakakasama yan. What a game by Lastimosa.
Gusto na para dito kay Lastimosa, siya kanya rin yung GAC game-changing play brought to us by GAC.
86-84.
Tuffin on the pop. Kenneth misses. It is kept right there by Richie Rivero. Nasundan ni Alfaro from behind. He's gotten the better of Richie twice now.
A little bit too casual there.
Jerome with 21 points being harassed there by Rivero. Jerome to the baseline and one!
Bilis talaga ni Jerome. Who's going to score for them from the outside?
Lastimosa now winning. Lastimosa looking to take Escandor off the dribble. Jerome Bebuelo. Barbecue chicken time para kay Lastimosa yan.
Ken Garden, walang paa.
Barroca looking around. Sanggalang, hand off to Mark. The one-hander is good. Chile pa untuk bola.
Missed free throws, missed the open 3-point shot.
Si Balungay nga, nagpunta na dun sa scorer's table doon. Buffin to the cup. And one!
Ball game. And they've taken a good advantage of it. in Phoenix, you know, if they go focus, yung isa,
11 of 16 para sa Phoenix. Yung dalawang huling mintis, masakit. Ano? Tuffin! Huli ka! Lucero all over it.
that's what you call defense.
Phoenix, dadalawang puntos pa rin ang nai-score ngayong fourth quarter. Nakaka-12 na. Ito Magnolia.
Pinampi naman ni Johnson si Baroka.
Dio hands it off. Johnson for three. No. Clean-up job. Tuffin. Jerome in attack mode, already with 26 points. Baroka, turnaround jumper. Andy Mark delivers. Andy Mark really doesn't care which defender they throw.
Para sa kanila, kung matatatlong 3-game winning streak, bakit pa tayo nagbakasyon?
Kasi natalo na yung Magnolia sa Blackwater round 1, 89-81. So kailangan nila rin bumawi dyan. And Igor Sanggalang. Lastimosa's got it to work with. Ian at the post again. Ian spins away. Hinigop!
Lahat naman ng kabinasan, inabot na ng Magnolia dito sa fourth quarter.
16-2 run para sa Hotshots. 5 kalahating minuto na hindi nakakabutas sa itong Phoenix.
Puro isolation nga ginawa nila.
Mamu inside. Turnaround jumper, no. Malugay, wala pa rin. Richie.
Gotta get some shots up.
Richie on the move. From the elbow. Rivera finally breaks the silence para sa Phoenix. Chero makes his move. Switch over si Tuffin. Baroka over to Buffin. He attacks Mamu. Buffin inside. Para kay Baroka, pang-apat na personal niya. Johnson pulls the trigger. That's good. Para kay BJ.
Galing talaga ng kamay nila. That lead has been cut down to 9, so 3 possession ball game.
With still over 3 minutes remaining here, very doable yan para sa Phoenix.
Yeah, they showed that in the third quarter.
Lastimosa up high to Lucero. He spins away from Johnson, comes up short. Balungay with the board.
Big one yun. Magiging on si Sanek.
De Los Santos to Kai. They hand it off to Tuffin. Kai down low. Nakatabigan ni Lucero. Masikip yung basa.
Mali ang pinasahan. Yeah, yung import was coming to him to help him out.
And he just hit a 3 as well. Diba?
And he gave it to a guy, small guy cutting to the basket. Read well by the defense of Magnolia.
Buffin goes across. They touch it around. Baroka for 3.
Oh, napanda.
Last 2 minutes na to atin sa atin ang Sports Plus. Lastimosa off the twirl. This is a thing of beauty, though.
Yeah.
Sa ngayon, tabla sila eh.
Isolation.
12-12. Round 1 nga po, 12-point win para sa Phoenix yun. Buffett with a cleanup down low.
Pareho silang 12 ngayon. Abante ng 12.
Lalo ba yung sa minuto natin tira?
Uy,
Oh! Uwi yan na!
wala na tayong magagawa doon, sabi ng ano.
Grabe naman yun, Dok.
Si Mumuyan ayaw umayaw. Ito, until the very end, i-score ito pareho eh.
Kailangan nila eh.
Oo, parehong table eh.
Nanalo po ang Phoenix sa Magnolia by 12 points in round 1. Sa ngayon, 12 ang abante ng Magnolia, 109-97. Dadagdagan ni Baroka!
Nakatumira ng 3 points dito.
Oh, guy with a jam!
May oras pa eh, 31.9, so may 7-second differential.
But that quotient, everybody in the building is aware. Look at both coaching staffs, though.
Kaya, pareho sila eh, oh. Akala ko nasubo.
Baroka ulit. One more time. Dino Mubran. And Phoenix looking to push pa rin. Down 13.
Tama yung
Balungay with a two-handed throwdown. That's an 11-point game.
Hindi magta-time out si LA, pero pinasushoot niya yung mga bata niya.
They need another basket to win the aggregate.
Oh, akala ko naagawan.
Nice pass.
Oh.
Huli ni Johnson. Oh! And one.
Meron oras pa.
Santos to Johnson for 3. No! And Magnolia, not only will they pull off their third consecutive win, fourth win overall. They will win the aggregate contra sa Phoenix because they win by 14 points.
Yeah. And they tied them at